Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. And I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you notice today, I'm wearing my Baking Diva shirt that I designed. Let me see if I can stand up and show you my cupcake that says Baking Diva with a crown on and giving you a big smooch. So anyway, you say, well, Diva, what are you doing here today? Well, I'm not going to bake for you today. And the cameraman's not with me. I'm solo. So hopefully this video will come out okay. And we'll have to just wait and see. But anyway, I was thinking the summer months are coming. It's going to be pretty hot. And if you're anything like me, you don't like putting your oven on in the kitchen. No, no, no. Even if you have AC, it just makes the kitchen so hot. The AC has to work harder. So who wants to do that? So I decided that I'm going to do a little series. And I think I'm going to do maybe a 4-part series on icebox cakes. That's baking without turning on your oven. Those icebox no-bake cakes are delicious. They're not delicious, they're delicious. So anyway, I have that coming up soon. You'll probably see my first one next week. Also, I have a great recipe that I think you're all gonna love that I'm going to try to get on here this week before Father's Day. Father's Day is Sunday. So in case anybody wants to make it, they'll have it ahead of time. And let me see, what other news do I have to tell you? Oh, let me see. Saturday night, we went to a surprise birthday party for my brother. His name is Emil. And one of the gifts they had, the gift bags by everybody's table at the restaurant, was a cellophane bag filled with candy from the year he was born. And it had a tag on the top that said Emil's birthday, and on the other side, it had all these fun, relevant or irrelevant, I don't know, trivia facts for the year he was born. It was fun. But some of the candy that I have here that was in the bag, it's funny. I love these. This is the candy cigarettes. I don't know, they used to have them in like a bubble gum, and I think they had them just in a hard candy. What else was there? There was Turkish taffy. Let me see what else. Oh, I remember all these gums. This was Beeman's chewing gum. And I know one of my favorites at the time was the blackjack gum. I know, I'm dating myself. Oh well. Mike and Ike's have been around for a long time. But I have to laugh at the price on this little Mike and Ike's box is 25 cents. What else did they have? Oh, there was sugar daddies. Who didn't love sugar daddies? Those were those milk caramel pops. Let me see what else. Oh, we had Bazooka bubble gum. What is this? This was Long Boy's coconut. I don't remember that. It's a long boy on there. Chuckles. Oh yeah. Don't they still make Chuckles? I'm not sure. Let me see. Oh, Bitto Honeys. They were fun. Rocky Roads. Do any of you remember the Rocky Roads? Let me see what else. There was Reed's, root beers, more Bitto Honeys, Smarties, more Sugar Daddies. They're fun. I guess you can go online and order a lot of these candies for the year you were born. Maybe if one of your loved ones is having a party and you want to do something like this, that would be a fun thing to do. It's funny because years ago I had a Volkswagen Beetle. It was this like electric blue color. I love that thing. And it drove great. And the only reason I had to sell it was because that's when 2 of my grandsons came aboard. And I would always, take them places with me. And I had to put 2 car seats in the small back of the Beetle. You know, that was a hoot. So the Beetle went. But now I just read that and it was on the little trivia. I read that in let me see, the year my brother was born. I can't remember. Well, anyway, he's 70. But the year he was born was the first year that they made the Beetle. And I read that this year they're discontinuing the Beetle. The Volkswagen Beetle, they're not making it anymore. I love that little car. And out of all the cars I've had, it drove the best. As small as it was, it drove the best. So anyway, it's just a little trivia. We had fun at the party Saturday night. There was all kinds of yummy things to eat, and we had a good time, and he was really surprised. Those of you who ask, where's Lucas? Oh, he'll be joining me soon, don't worry. School's coming to an end, and he's so busy playing baseball, but he'll be back soon. He's dying to get in a video. And trying to think what else. Do any of you have vacations planned this summer? I'm going to be going down to Wildwood Crest, down the shore, as we say in New Jersey, down the shore for about, I don't know if it's 7 days or 8 days, I can't remember for sure. We got a place right on the beach, so I'm really excited about that. And I don't know, the cameraman's still around. He's been a little under the weather, so I've been giving him a little break from these videos till he cheers up a little bit more. Can't think of anything else right now. I just wanted to come on and tell you what I had planned for my little, I guess you could call it a mini series. Yes, I'm going to call it my No Bake Ice Box Cake mini series. 4-part, and that'll be coming up soon. You don't want to miss that, because wait till you see what the first one's going to be. I bet most of you have never heard of it, and it's really good. I will have on the recipe probably in the next maybe couple of days, 2 or 3 days, that I'm planning to make for Father's Day. We're going to my son's house. I hope the weather clears up by then, because it's raining out now, and he has a pool. So we all want to go swimming, but I hope we don't have rain on Sunday. Boo! Why does it have to rain on all the holidays? I'm so sick of the rain. Don't they know that summer is the Diva's favorite part of the year? I don't know. So anyway, I won't keep you any longer. I hope you're all doing well. And I think that's about it for now. So once again, thanks for tuning in to this Crazy Divas channel. If you're not already a subscriber and you'd like to be, I'd love to have you. I do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. I do baking, sweet and savory. I do some keto, low carb, paleo. Sometimes I have my grandson in the video with me. I've even had my parrot join us. So anyway, I hope to see you all real soon. If you want to subscribe, go down below and hit that red subscribe button. And if you press the little bell next to it, you'll get a notification whenever I have a new video up. And comments are nice, and YouTube loves thumbs up. So anyway, I love all of you. I really, honestly do appreciate all of your support, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have a channel. My channel's growing. It's growing slowly, but it's growing. And with all of you on board, you can share my videos and maybe it'll grow a little bit more. So anyway, take care. For those of you who I may not see the rest of the week, have a very happy Father's Day. To all the dads out there, the stepdads, the dads of pets, single dads, married dads, all the dads. Happy Father's Day, and I hope to see you real soon.